Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2019 Kia Sorento LX SUV. On the outside, we have heated and power door mirrors, fully automatic headlights, and rear backup camera system. Inside, you'll find comfortable cloth seating for 7, blind spot collision warning, and remote keyless entry. The 7-inch LCD display has Bluetooth technology to keep you connected on the go. This one-owner 2019 Kia Sorento has less than 50,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.